Hi, welcome back to Creator Mizar. This series is all about curries. I have compiled North Indian style and South Indian style curries, which you can mix and match for both rice and chapati. Let's get started.
This is 1.5 cup of chickpea which I have washed and soaked overnight. 1 cup grated coconut, 2 large onions, 2 large tomato, a inch ginger, 25 garlic pods, whole garam masala, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon pepper, 2 tablespoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 3 tablespoon coriander powder. For tempering, 1 teaspoon mustard, 5 shallots, 1 dried chili, curry leaves. Salt as required. Let's drain the water and cook the chickpea with fresh water for 3 whistles. Add handful of onions, salt as required, water and cook it for 3 whistles. Let's make coconut paste. In a mixie jar, take grated coconut, some ginger, some garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, few fennel seeds, few tomato, few onions, handful of cooked chickpeas. Grinding the cooked chickpea along with the coconut will thicken the gravy. Add curry leaves and pulse it for few minutes. Grind the ginger garlic into a paste. After 3 whistles, let's check if the chickpeas are cooked. Use coconut oil for making this curry. Saute the ingredients one by one as shown here. Once the onions are translucent, add the masalas one by one. Roasting the masalas in oil will enhance the flavor. Add curry leaves and let it splutter. It smells amazing. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add tomatoes and let it mush. We have already added salt while cooking chickpea, so adjust the salt accordingly. Now add the cooked chickpea. After roasting for few minutes, then you can add the chickpea water. Now mix in the coconut paste. Adjust water according to your preference. Add pepper powder and some garam masala powder. For tempering, use coconut oil. I am pairing this curry with chapati. You can use dosa, idli, appam also. After adding tempering, let the curry boil for 5 minutes, then cover it. Now, kadala curry or your chickpea curry is ready.
If you're still watching, please like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch the next video.